Showtime, guys. This is gonna be a good battle right here. I already know. Who's gonna get it? Who wants it? Jackstylez, mix one.
Lost my shit.
On three, who's gonna go?
This beat is fire. Let's go.
On three. What? And swipe. Let's go.
I'm changing my shit. Like an accident.
I like the support in the back. That's a crew right there. If you've never seen one. On three. Oh, he picked it up nice. Taking his time. Smooth. Roll. Alright. Uh-oh. This guy is a problem. Watch him. Oh, back up on three, back up, or else you're gonna get kicked. The man's flying. Oh, oh. Crash, chill. Oh my goodness. Nasty. Oh, man, that's some next level stuff right there. This battle's getting good. Oh, he's listening to the beat. That's it, that's it. Uh-oh. On three, back out. What you gonna do with it? What you gonna do? Oh. He said, I got three of those. And these head spins on top of that. What? Oh, he hit that. Fresh. On three is not playing. Oh, did I just... This is a family show. Keep it together. WeBreak coming out strong. Who is this guy? He's got the glasses on still. Chill, Boba. Whoa. Nasty. Boba. Represent. I like that. Oh. Don't ever count this man out. Don't ever count him out. He's got the ideas with the ideas. He's got the right ideas. Okay. Footwork. Windmills. Breeze. Clean. To the crowd. CC's. Oh, one leg. Grab. Breeze. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here's my uncle. Jackstylez. He said you're looking like a robot. Watch the styles. Let's go, Jack. Ooh, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ah, ah. Nasty, Jack. Okay, let's go, Jack. Show 'em more, Jack. Show 'em more. Show 'em what they don't do, Jack. Let's go. Ooh, ooh, ooh.